What happened today, bud?
Are you coming outside and stick that sunburn on me?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see your ear. Here,
I
your
got
other
it.
one. That one's not sunburned. That one's a little sunburned.
Yeah, I
And
think.
your neck.
Yeah.
What happened? What were you doing?
Oh, I don't know.
Where were you playing?
Outside all day.
Were you playing outside?
Yeah.
I don't know how hot it was here, huh? Hey,
I need sunglasses. Where is it?
I need something after the fact now. I need some aloe vera. Whoa. Burps aren't that funny.
Oh, they're more funny than faults.
Yes, that's true. Austin, what are you watching?
I'll tell you in a minute. First, let's drink.
What is it?
Me from my glass, and you from yours.
Come here, bud.
I'm watching Jesse play water go balls. He tries to get them all the way into the pool and wake up some. And she tries to wake them up, then they jump
You
on
always
them
think I
to
get
get them in
wrong.
the
That's what's so
tube.
funny. I switched glasses when your back was turned. Ha ha, you fool. You fell victim to one of the classic blunders.
Is he
Never
gonna
been
have the
involved
white
in the land
one?
or in Asia. But only slightly less well known is this. Never go in against a Sicilian
When death is on the line.
He picked the wrong one, didn't he?